Good morning, everyone. I'm Paul J from Crypto Traders Arena. You're watching Daily Plan. Let's start today, February 2, with DXY as usual. So, you can see we are still at the same level, fighting at this support and resistance. Yesterday we were exactly at this level. Now we're a bit below, but overall we are fighting this level. We don't have a higher high here. I still think we'll go back in the long relow zone. That is just my opinion, just my view. Nothing changed from yesterday. Same small consolidation here. Indicators the same. Seems like MACD wants to go below zero. RSI is fighting at 50 line and so on. But for the moment is fighting at that level. We have some news, big news today. So non-farm payrolls and unemployment rate. Exactly when the New York session will open. Well, that will move the market up and down, probably even DXY. So let's play some setups in the London session, then wait a little bit in New York session for the news, wait another half an hour, and then we can play around. Let's go back on the chart. So DXY fighting at the same level. Let's see what we have on Bitcoin. Well, not too many things changed from yesterday. We are still in the dump chaser zone here on daily. Up and down a little bit. We still have that bullish divergence here. I still think we can push higher in the short reload zone. I know a lot of people, they'll say, okay, we'll dump from here. Well, maybe. But I still think at least Mountain Man will be touched, if not even Shark at 78.6. We'll see. So for the moment, same level like yesterday, the dump chaser zone. Yeah, you can scalp here, up, down, whatever you want. You can do it on 5-15 minute chart, but we are getting in the same ugly area like we had here. Small volatility and hard to make some money day trading. That's daily. Let's see what we have on 4-hour chart. Well, like I said, now you can see the volatility is going out. We had up, retesting 50%, back down, and you can see we are back in this area. Yeah, on lower time frame you can make some money, but here the range is getting tighter and tighter, and I don't think it's a good idea to trade Bitcoin too aggressively. Indicators, well, we have some bearish divergence formed here in the last move up on MACD at least, and the rest of the indicator, they are just following the price action. We can still push higher here in the 61.8, touch Mountain Man and then break down, maybe even higher at 78.6. That will stop me out from the Mountain Man, but will get me in the Shark setup. For the moment, just waiting on the sidelines. Back on daily, let's see Ethereum. Ethereum on daily, you can see we are above pump chaser zone. We are trying to put a W. On daily chart, we are the other side of this trend line. It's a bit weaker than Bitcoin, but looks okay-ish for a bounce. We can still do, because we are in the pump chaser zone, we can do a really nice big bot. Yeah, one low, two lows, up, down, another low, and push higher. AB equals CD. Well, an AB equals CD on daily will get us in the short reload zone. Will take time. That will take time because we are speaking about daily chart, but it's possible. For the moment, same kind of thinking. It's getting into a low volatility state, and I don't think it's the best scenario to play around too aggressively on Ethereum. 4-hour chart. Well, on 4-hour chart, I said we need a W, the other side of the trend line. Well, not yet. I don't consider this one a W. We can push higher here and test the highs and even go in the short reload zone on 4-hour chart. Yeah, we can do that, but I don't see an LJ setup. I tried 1 hour once, didn't work. I prefer to wait. I could see a range forming here and going sideways. So nothing special. Indicators, well, we have some bearish divergence on MACD, and that's it. Nothing more. I think we can go in the low volatility state and range a little bit. Now, back on daily, let's see Bitcoin dominance. Well, we don't have an EM on daily at least, and we didn't touch 61.8. Still strong, still pushing higher. Let's see what will happen. If we'll see an EM, okay, we can be more aggressive with altcoins. For the moment, it's pushing higher, and I think will be better to push even in the short reload zone, and here maybe we can find an EM. Keep in mind, I'm speaking about daily chart, so it'll take some time for that. For our chart, well, we don't have an EM. We still have higher highs, higher lows, but I think we have some bearish divergence. Yeah, you can see some bearish divergence forming. We had, I think, even yesterday we had some signs that the market is not so strong that we see on the chart. So if we'll touch 61.8 or we'll form a clear EM with already bearish divergence, I could think some reversal, and we can be more aggressive hunting long ideas on altcoin. Back on daily, and let's see Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Like I said, megaphone, and you can see well respected middle of the megaphone. Ugly pattern to trade. Keep in mind, if you are thinking long reload zone, you can see we just front run a little bit the mountain man. We bounced, but we're going back down in the long reload zone. Until I'll see a clear W, I'm not thinking Ethereum versus Bitcoin will push higher. That's Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Let's see weekly chart, and let's talk about Bitcoin. I know almost the same level like yesterday, but that will keep us honest and will keep us in a zoom out perspective if we are looking every day at the weekly chart. Same idea, a 3-bar fractal top confirmed, Wyckoff check, it's a good level to think to hunt long ideas, long reload zone, it's a good level to invest. That's my overview. Same levels, nothing changed. We can go sideways here between this high and this low. We can form a range here, and probably will form one for some time. And overall, I still think we can push lower first half of this year. We'll see. Ethereum, same kind of thinking, but looks healthier than Bitcoin. Didn't pump so much, so we can wait for a pump to touch 61.8. That will give us a really nice opportunity here to if we'll manage to get along. Keep in mind, I'm talking about weekly charts, so it will not happen tomorrow. That's my overview. Not too many things to say about the market from yesterday. On day trading part, well, we'll start with Bitcoin. We scalped up and down, especially Stefan scalped up and down on Bitcoin. I prefer mostly to sit on the sidelines. I saw this W, I didn't took it, didn't like the location. Really nice bounce. It's okay, I like it for scalping, but I prefer to hunt better charts. Just not Bitcoin this time. Not Bitcoin, not Ethereum. So, nothing to do for me here. You can see one high, a lower high, another one. We can form maybe an EM and think short. Well, I think it's better to just to leave it alone, but I don't have a setup here, and I don't want to be too aggressive hunting one. Ethereum, on 1 hour chart, you can see if we'll see a clear W here, we can think LJ. Well, Manta, I said I'm not shorting this one. I was waiting here. You can see the long reload zone from this low. A W, breakout, retest. It's going sideways at least, so no setup for me here. I sold 75% here at 3.5, and I'm waiting on the sidelines for the moment. I had a short on alt. I still have that one. I closed 50% of it. 60% actually, and I still have the rest. Well, some W's here, but you'll see immediately on the next chart. Well, here I took the seeing on spot. You can see the low, the high, long reload zone, W, and you can see what I did. I took this breakout. I'm in profit on this long, and I'm just waiting. If we'll hit 1-to-1, then I could move my stop to scratch or close 50% to get a free position, and then I don't care. Anyway, it's an acceptable trade from my part. We had some bullish divergence here. If you don't see it, I'll show you zooming in. You can see lower low, higher low on RSI, and lower low on price. A small one, nice W on the oversold area. Was enough for me, keep in mind the location, to take this one. Let's wait and see what will happen. So I'm long and short at the same time on alt. This one, well, is not going anywhere. I'll go on 15-minute chart, maybe we can see it better. It's like a stable coin. The volatility is going out. If we'll push higher, if we'll push lower, we don't know. I think it's a good project to dollar cost average to buy for a trader. Consolidating, not the best scenario for a trader who wants to make some money on it. Let's just let it breathe a little bit, let it consolidate, and then we can maybe hunt something. That's the day trading part. We have also another trade on Holy Grail. We took in the New York session yesterday, I took this one. Classic trade with the Holy Grail. When we have a trend, we can make money with Holy Grail. I keep telling you that over and over again. And this coin had some news yesterday, some kind of news, but they said something about staking. So a lot of people want to stake this one. And you can see what is happening. Some buying pressure that will is pushing price higher. Well, seeing that, I said, okay, we have higher highs, higher lows. I will take the trade. And you can see, barely took this high and back down. Give me my entry. Give me my entry here. And from that point, never touch the entry point. And it's pushing higher. At this point in time, I guess I'm a 3-to-1, 4-to-1. I'm hunting a 10-to-1 here overall. But let's see. Well, I'm a 4.5. So, nice trade. Stop loss here in profit from now on. It's at least at a 2-to-1 level. So you cannot lose money on this one anymore. That's why I have Holy Grail. That's why I made Holy Grail, to help me chase the market. Yeah. When we have a trend, I needed a tool to help me get it. And you can see the result. We can push a lot higher. I'll mention tomorrow, Monday. Let's see what will happen on this one. Will stop me out in profit, or will push higher. I'm not closing. I don't have a take profit, a fixed take profit in this one. I'll trail with the stop loss. It's a nice way to close a trade with being your stop loss being hit in profit. Really nice. Try it and you'll see the feeling. Nothing more on Holy Grail. Yeah, there are more of them trying to make some uptrends, but be really careful. It's not the best environment for this algo. It's just not. It's a bit too aggressive, and the Bitcoin dominance is not kind enough for this kind of trade. You can see here, same idea. Entry here, entry here, entry here. Nice profit. Same kind of idea here. Some of them, they are pushing higher. Some of them, they are trying to make a trend. So you can play around. Look at a link. One entry here. Well, not the best. One here, and so on. This is the top. We don't know. We can FAFO here and push higher if will be the case. If not, we'll be stopped out. And next bus. E-Gold, same kind of thinking. They have to announce something. I don't know. I guess today or tomorrow. Something like that. I don't know. They are fooling around the last couple of months, so I don't like their attitude, but maybe it's just my opinion. Well, Mina, same kind of thinking. So we have some setups to play with, some charts to play with Holy Grail, but not the best environment because I need on Bitcoin dominance. I really need an EM. Okay, I'm on 4-hour chart. Give me an EM. Don't give me higher highs and higher lows. If we'll do that, that will not give me too much confidence in hunting long ideas on altcoins. On the meme coins part, well, I had a trade, same kind of thinking yesterday in the New York session. I said nice breakout, a nice W, nice breakout in the long reload zone. Well, was a fake out. I'm out. I need to wait now for a new W to think long ideas again. We had a nice run up, a really nice one. Now, what the market did, just put the chart, the price exactly where they started, here in this area. Nothing more. They pumped the price in the event, after the event. In the Jupe event, they changed the idea. Okay, let's sell this one and buy Jupiter. They slowly bleed this one back at the original place. Now consolidation and maybe another push higher. You can wait for a bottom here, and you can draw a short reload zone and think that the market will push back in the short reload zone, and you can make some money on that. For the moment, I'm out from that trade, and I'm waiting for the next one. It's that simple. Other altcoins, let's see on meme coins. Well, this one is pushing higher, but I have it on my watch list, but nothing more than that. And you can see, yeah, okay, from the bottom, made a nice, I don't know, 5x kind of idea. Let's go back. Strong ones, small altcoins, nothing special. And you can see this one is 500%. This one is double the price, but actually it's at the lows, because this one was at some point in time $22-30, and now it's $0.7. I don't see other altcoins looking too strong. Frogo is going sideways. I don't think they post anything, so until the team will come back and start posting. Yeah, I have a bag here, but I don't think I have any chances until they'll start be active again. Let's see what we have. The short ones, let's see the other side. Print protocol going down. Well, this is a Ponzi scheme. You know what to do. If you are early enough, you can make some money. If not, don't touch it. Just leave it alone. It's a better idea. And don't tell me it's not a Ponzi scheme. Please don't do that. Print stand. Nothing special. Just I don't see Popo. Well, okay. It's at the lows. And it's bleeding, slowly bleeding down. Give me a double, give me something to be bullish on it. I have a bag, a spot bag, but nothing to do on this point. I don't want to sell it at the lows. I prefer to let it go to zero. I have even some NFTs from them, but maybe we'll consolidate more and we'll put a W and will give me a retest in the short reload zone, maybe, or maybe we'll die here and going slowly to the zero line. Well, I made some money on this one, so I cannot complain. Okay, that's on meme coins. I talked about the overview. In general, not too many things to say. Bitcoin still in the pump chaser zone. We have big news in the New York session. Well, that should keep us in check a little bit and wait on the sidelines. Not the best environment for day trading. Day trading part, like I said, I'm long and short on alt. In the same time, not too many things to say about that. We have this one. Nice in profit. Everyone from premium should be long on this one. I posted in the premium chat. I discussed it in the live stream yesterday. Well, Nothing I can do more than that. Nice and profit. Your stop loss should be somewhere in here. That's my overview. It's Friday. Let's see if we can frame something, or if not, we'll prepare for the weekend. Usually weekend it's a good idea to sit on the sidelines and do something else. Relax, take care of the family, and maybe come stronger Monday. That's about it from my part. We'll hear us again in the New York session Monday morning with the same video, but especially Sunday with the weekly crypto review. Yeah, okay, see you guys, take care.